Layer. Welcome to lesson on eSurvey Lisp related to layers. Layer concept in CAD is very useful when working on bigger drawing. There are three states for layer: on or off, freeze or thaw, lock or unlock. There are 18 macros related to switching these states, which is explained in macro section. In this lesson, we will cover other Lisps related to layer. CRL. Pick the text for layer name. Often while working with text, if all text with specific captions are available in a layer, then it would be convenient to handle such entities. This can be done using CRL command. When a particular text is selected, all the texts having same captions will be moved to a new layer. Move each text of specified layer individually. If you have to move all the texts in a drawing, depending on the entities around that text, use MVT command. MVT command will save a lot of time in locating, zooming text entities of specific layer and helps you to move the text individually. Show layer by layer. One of the easiest quality checks that one can apply on a drawing is looking at each layer entity individually. The NL command will show each layer one after the other by switching off all other layers. When you see such layer individually, you can make out mistakes if any. For example, if there is a line representing road in boundary layer, you can move that line to road layer. Use NL command for easy quality check. Layer manager. When editing big drawings with multiple layers, it may not be advisable to switch on all the layers and work. Hence, a common practice is to switch off some layers or freeze them or lock them while doing a specific type of drawing editing. Also, in such cases, if you change the property of few layers, it may be difficult to remember and get back to previous settings. Using LMN command, you can overcome this problem. When you feel it is convenient with a specific layer setting for a drawing, store it with one name. While editing, whenever you want to restore that specific layer property combination, you can restore back the saved setting using LMN command. Thank you. In the next section, you will learn Lisps related to blocks.